How to fix your Superbox having a black screen. So by that, we mean like the TV or wherever you're plugging it to having a black screen. So it's a common issue. It usually comes from the connection problems toward your Superbox. It could be because of display settings or system glitches, but there are some things that you can do, some options that could probably fix this problem. So first of all, you can check your HDMI and power connections. If you take a look at the back of your power box or super box, there's going to be HDMI, you got the LAN or Wi-Fi, and the other outlets. So one of the first things that could be causing this issue would be the HDMI wire. Make sure you're using a wire that does still work, since if you are given the provided wire, it's probably going to be faulty, or it could easily break, or from time could easily just stop working. So you could try unplugging or replugging the HDMI cable on both ends, maybe from your TV to the Superbox, or you could try a different HDMI. One of the most common things you can do is that process. And of course, make sure there is power for your Superbox. There should be indicator lights, or just make sure the wire itself is plugged in. You could use your remote as well to really check if there is power to your Superbox. If it responds, then that means there should just be power. Another thing you can put in mind is to select the correct TV output. On your TV, you can switch to the HDMI port where Superbox is connected, and this pretty much depends on what TV or smart TV you have. It is different from different kinds of brands and models, so it's usually found in the settings or on the home input. Another thing is to restart both your TV and your Superbox. So you could either just plug out the wires for both your TV and your Superbox, the main power wire, make sure they're plugged out, and you're gonna wait for maybe a minute or even just 10 seconds, as long as you plug it out for quite a while and replug it back in. That should just be another way to reset both devices. Then one more thing you can do is to check for hardware issues. If there are no lights or responses, that means there's a possible power failure. And if it's still a black screen on multiple TVs, yes, you can go ahead and check your Superbox if it works on different TVs. Then the Superbox itself may be the one that is defective, and in that case, you're gonna have to contact the seller or maybe even consider a replacement. But those are a few options you can try if you're having a black screen while using your Superbox. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.